the one thing that reporters keep dancing around, the one thing that your critics keep accusing you of, is the big question. So I'm just going to ask you, and we actually already addressed this on this show months ago,
Right.
but because it's still out there, I'm going to put the direct question out there again, and you answer it in any way you want and as long as you want to take. Did you in any way, shape, or form interfere with, delay the Sandusky investigation because either you were running for governor at the time or you were planning to run for governor and you didn't want to be seen as the man who was attacking the Penn State football program?
No. Okay? Yeah. That's a simple answer. I want people to keep this in mind. Nobody has, in my knowledge, in state government, has done more to protect the children of Pennsylvania in the last 20 years than I have. That has been part of my career as a prosecutor, is protecting the children.
The Online Predators Unit.
That's
was
where
a
I was
big
just
part
going to
of it.
go. I mean, you know, we've arrested hundreds of people on online predators, going after people who thought they were talking to children. We were able to capture them when they were talking to agents. I wouldn't delay trying to arrest and convict somebody for anything, not for any, because I am was a prosecutor first. And for people to continue to say that is insulting to me, but I think insulting to the general populace who, if you look at my record speaks for itself. But I am not going to risk a case and risk a conviction on the first case alone. We believe, and you know, all these people that are saying that, as far as I know, they don't have anywhere near the experience that the men and women in the Attorney General's office and I have in dealing with these cases. We believe that we did not have a case that we could get a conviction with just the first case alone. And what we did is we kept digging and digging and digging. And then finally we got some leads, and some leads led to something else, and it worked its way down the line. I will tell you, I constantly was in contact with the people who were leading the investigation and the criminal division people. Where are we? Let's move. Let's get this done. And there was never a thought given to, well, I can't do this now because this could hurt. No. In fact, you know, there are some people that would say if we would have gotten an arrest, you know, right before the election, it would have boosted my numbers. You know, I don't know. I don't even think that way. What I think is we are going to produce a case where we can convict the person who did what they did. And you know what? That's what we did. I would have loved to have gotten that done before I left office, but we really didn't start getting a lot of the good evidence till late in 2010 and early 2011 before I turned it over to Linda Kelly. And Linda, the General Kelly, continued to pursue it. The leads were coming in. They worked it. They worked through the grand jury. If people would sit down and read the newspaper, actually read it, read the chronologies that have been out there, they would understand that that's the case. And then finally, I look at it this way. 45 of 48 counts. We did the right thing.